Okay, good morning children. So today we are going to do think and reflect, which is above exercise 4.1. This comes out. What can you say about A and B if A plus B the whole square is less than A square plus B square? So this is your question and they are asking what can you say about A and B? What are the values? What sign do they carry? So see, now this is your identity one and you know A plus B the whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, and let us write A square plus B square here as it is. Now let us eliminate this A square plus B square. See, here on the left hand side also A square plus B square is there. Here on the right hand side also A square plus B square is there. So if you subtract A square plus B square, both the sides, subtracting A square plus B square both sides, then what will you be left with? This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, so here nothing means only 0. So 2AB on the left hand side, then less sign, then 0. Now here I want to eliminate 2. So I will divide it. Why am I dividing it with children? Because 2 is connected with AB in the form of multiplication. So divide 2 both sides. So when I divide 2 both sides, what happens? 2AB divide by 2. Here also divide by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. Here it is only AB and here answer will be 0. So we are getting AB is less than 0. That means AB is negative. Right? What is the meaning less than 0? You know in the number line, anything in the right hand side is all positive numbers and towards your left side everything is negative integers. Right? So these are all positive and anything less than 0 is negative. That means AB is negative. So now for time being, let me take an example of minus 2. Let AB be minus 2. What is the meaning of AB? A into B, right? That means if I put a number A, if I assign a number 1 to A and to B I assign a number, I get right minus 2, 1 2s are 2, minus into plus is minus. That means if I give a negative sign to A, this condition is getting fulfilled. In the same way, if I assign a negative sign to B, because this is A into B, right? A into B. So if I assign a negative sign to A, then also I am getting AB as negative. If I assign B negative sign, then also I am getting negative answer. That means this condition is getting fulfilled when A is equal to negative and B is positive, or when A is positive, B should be negative. When A is negative, B should be positive. When A is positive, B should be negative. Both cannot be negative because if I put negative for both, so minus into minus I will get plus 2. Then if it is plus 2, then AB is not negative, AB becomes positive. So either A should be negative and B should be positive, or A should be positive and B is negative. Okay. Now same question, only thing is instead of lesser than sign, they have put greater sign. So only this is getting changed. So same thing we have to do here also. A plus B the whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square, and A which is greater than A square plus B square. Now again subtracting A square plus B square both the sides, I will get 2AB greater than, now here nothing is there means 0. Then again I want to eliminate 2. So dividing by 2 both sides. So 2 gets cancelled, AB is greater than 0. That means now AB is greater than 0 means AB is equal to positive. Right? Greater than 0 means it is positive. That means let me assign a number 2. First I took minus 2. Now I am taking as 2 because I want a positive. So 1 into 2 is 2. Right? So A is also carrying positive. B is also carrying positive. Is this the only way possible? No. There's one more way. Both can be negative. Why children? Because minus into minus still I will get plus only. And 1 2s are 2. So in this case, the value of A and B both should be negative. Both A and B be negative, or both A and B be positive. So this is the answer for this. See, why am I teaching you this, children? Do you think it is important? Yes, maybe. They may ask you in the MCQ. They will give you this condition and give you 4 options. A positive, B negative. A negative, B negative. Or A negative, B positive. So, none of these. So, only if you know to do this sum, can you do that. Tick the correct option. Some children do Eki Piki Ponki. Okay. So, next is when will A plus B the whole square be equal to A square plus B square? So again this is identity, same identity, 1A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to A square plus B square. Subtracting A square plus B square both sides, so only 0 is remaining. 2AB equals to 0, AB equals to 0, dividing 2 by both the sides. That means AB should be 0. Now when will AB be 0? Because we know AB will be 0 when AB means what? A into B. One number should be, one can be any number and the other should be definitely be 0, because any number multiplied by 0 only will be 0. If I take A as 0 and B as 100, then also I will get 0, right? That means we will get 0 when either A is 0 or B is 0, right? Or both also can be 0, because 0 into 0 is also 0. So A should be 0 or B should be 0 or both can be 0. So this is your answer. Hope you understood, children. Next class we will see many more. Okay. Thank you.